Good morning, Joe Van Orsdol with Right Home Inspections, doing an inspection in Cold Minnetonka this morning. What I'm looking at is the floor joists in this older home. There are quite a few of these floor joists that are cracked. Now, yes, they are cracked where there happens to be a knot, so the knot might have been the weak point. But nonetheless, it is a crack in the board, which weakens that joist. That one's cracked at a knot, this one's cracked, and it's not at a knot, but it's just simply cracked. In fact, if I go back to this first one and I follow this board down to another 8 feet down, there's actually another, nope, that's not it, there it is. There's another crack in the same floor joist. So I'm finding about 8 floor joists in this home that are cracked. A lot of them are notched as well, which is going to cause a weakness. Here's a notch in the bottom of that floor joist, and that bottom of the bottom edge of that board is the most important parts. Once that cracks or it's broken or it's compromised, such as this one is, that weakens it. So we've got quite a bit of cracks in the structure, so we're going to recommend further evaluation by a structural engineer or a qualified contractor. Another reason for a thorough home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.